Let's see how to insert a bullet with shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert a bullet, first make sure that you are on the Home tab. Now click on this icon right here under the paragraph section. Now, once you click this, that will create a bulleted list inside of your document. And what it will look like is this one. Now, although it is very convenient to use this button, we can speed up the process even faster simply by clicking Control Shift L on our keyboard. And we don't have to look for this tiny icon right here anymore. So let's go ahead and try pressing Control Shift L, and that should create a bullet on your Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.